everyone, have you ever watched Shin-chan movie about B-class gourmet?
細くたって太くたってねえねえねえ焦げつくこともあるけど
I can't believe I found it almost 10 years later. Anyway, let's make yakisoba together. I will start with making sauce because add 3 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce. I use Japanese brand because it is less tangy. 1.5 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1.5 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of ketchup. My ketchup is quite sweet, so I will add only half tablespoon of honey. Please adjust it depending on your condiments. Set temperature to high heat. I stir fry vegetables first, so it will be easy to control their texture. The order of vegetable is based on how long they need to cook. I start with carrots, and then onions. They don't need to be fully cooked. As you can see, onions aren't transparent yet. Bean sprout, the last one is cabbage. I like to grill it on a pan for aroma before stir fry. After finishing, set it aside. On the same pan, add pork belly. No need to add more oil because pork belly has a lot of fat already. When it's almost cooked, set it to one side and add yakisoba noodles. I microwave them for 20 seconds before use. Move pork belly on top so it spreads some fat on noodles. Break noodle apart. Add yakisoba sauce. Mix them all together and then add vegetables. After that, it will be the special part that I buy salmonella-free egg to recreate it.
でも大丈夫笑顔とソースでいただきます